Here is how you can add your business location on Snapchat in minutes. For this, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your Snapchat profile page. On your profile page, tap on the setting icon. Scroll down until you find the privacy control sections, and under there, click on See My Location. Here, scroll down and under support you can see Suggest a Place and tap on that. Now this will open the entire section for you to add your business address. So type in the name very carefully, such as cafe shop. You could add your cafe shop name, it could be anything, and now select the address that matches your cafe shop location. So and close it. And after that you can also add category such as cafe and attributes, cheap eats, and also there is option to include your business opening hours. You can add a website, and you can also add phone number, and also you can add some cool photos of your workplace under photo section. After filling in all the details, tap on submit. Snapchat will review and update the suggested place, and that's it. Subscribe and give it a like to the video for more Snapchat tutorials.